I'm Dennis, and welcome to the Empire. Now, in front of me, I have a very exciting brand new vehicle. This is the 2020 Porsche Taycan Turbo. Now, this is really unheard of for Porsche, new territory for them because it's all electric. You know, Porsche has made a lot of sports cars with the engine in the back, so this is a whole new ballgame for them. Now, that doesn't mean it's still not blistering fast and crazy. So, this being a turbo model, it's the mid-range, so they got the 4S, the Turbo, and the Turbo S. This one's right in the middle. It starts at $150,000, and does 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds, makes 670 horsepower, and you know, with electric, that's 500 kilowatts. Now, that is crazy. This thing is stupid fast and quick, but today, we're not really gonna be taking care of that. We're gonna be taking care of this nice, gorgeous black on black exterior. So, how we're gonna do that today is, you've seen already, we took care of it washing it. It's already dried up. Now, the first thing we're gonna do a light pass of the paint. We're just gonna use the softest pad ever. It's a brand new vehicle, it doesn't really need much. We usually wanna make sure it's a clean surface. We're gonna ceramic coat the body from here back, and the wheels and the calipers. Now, to top it off, we're gonna finish it off with the front end getting Expel Ultimate Plus on the full front, so that includes hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors. So, stick around and let's get to it. So, the boys just finished up the polish and ceramic coating install. We ended up using Fine Lab Ceramic Plus on this. The paint is looking super fresh and super clean. It really is a marvel to look at. But I also want to bring up something. Can we talk about how big these calipers are? Man, look at them. They're easily a third of the rotor, and if not, probably one of the biggest calipers ever made for an automobile. But now, on to the next step. We're going to take care of the rest of the front end with some Expel Ultimate Plus. There you have it. Just like that, we got the paint protection film all finished up front, the Fine Lab ceramic coating for the rest of the body, and this thing is ready for the future and whatever the road may have for it. This is easily one of the best looking electric vehicle designs on the market. Like, just look at it. So, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll be doing way more videos. We got way more planned in the future. But now, let's wrap this up with some beauty shots. See you next time.